Since 2019, 10K Racing has worked closely with Yamaha at the highest levels of motorsport. But beyond that partnership, 10K has developed one of its most ambitious projects yet, a fully in-house engineered crossplane crankshaft for the iconic Yamaha YZF R6. The idea was simple, but technically demanding. Bring the crossplane concept from the Yamaha YZF R1 into the Supersport class without compromising reliability. Crossplane engines are defined by their uneven firing intervals, which change how torque is delivered. Instead of a constant, smooth flow, the engine produces more separated power pulses, giving the rider clearer feedback from the rear tire. Adapting that concept to the high-revving R6 engine required a full engineering approach. 10K started with detailed simulations, including a 3D model of the R1 crankshaft, and expanded that into a complete analysis of the R6 engine. From there, several crankshaft designs were manufactured, each with different balance characteristics, and tested both on the dyno and on track. One of the main challenges was vibration. Unlike the R1, the R6 doesn't use a balance shaft, so 10K integrated tungsten weights into the crankshaft itself to manage the additional forces. The final setup keeps vibration within acceptable limits, while still retaining the distinctive crossplane character. On paper, performance is similar to a standard R6, around 128 horsepower and 65 Nm of torque, with peak torque at roughly 14,200 RPM and a rev limit of 15,800 RPM. But the focus wasn't on increasing peak output. Instead, the goal was to change how the engine feels, how it responds to throttle inputs, how it delivers torque, and how much feedback it gives the rider. The bike runs Yamaha's GYTR ECU, adapted to suit the new firing order and crankshaft configuration, ensuring everything works as it should in a racing environment. Testing took place at TT Circuit Assen, where the bike was evaluated not just on performance, but on overall rideability and consistency. 10K has no plans to mass produce it yet. The Crossplane R6 is a one-off, built as an engineering exercise and as a way to explore how far the concept can be pushed within the Supersport platform.